Today we're in beautiful McKinney, Texas, where we're going to tour a home in the Heatherwood Subdivision, which features a community pool and playground and is also located within the Prosper ISD. Built by American Legend Homes in 2015, this 4-bedroom, 3-bath home is over 2,100 square feet and features an open floor plan, wood flooring, and a 3-car garage with epoxy flooring. Let's take a look inside. If you'd like to view this home or other properties like it, be sure to click the link below and let me know how I may help. And remember to subscribe to the channel for future property listings.